Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another super chewer boxy for Lexi Pops. You guys stare at Lexi being happy, waiting for her super chewer box while I crack the seal. Now, let's open up the vault. She knows the drill. She knows what's up. Ooh, Jurassic Park. We're gonna see what's in this. Look at that, guys. We got a Jurassic Park looking theme, and there's all the items we can get. So, first item, we got this. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Lexi, hi. Hi. You gotta be a good girl. Don't lick me. I'm trying to do a review. There we go. Alright. So, looks like we got a... It's in my DNA ball. It's got like a little fly in there. Oh, who's a good girl? Does Lexi want it? It's kind of late at night, so we should probably wait till tomorrow. Right, Lexi? Boop. Alright, next item. Shall we? You want to pick? Oh, she was definitely staring down at this one. Okay, I know. I'll give it to you tomorrow, okay? Good girl. Alright. Raptor hatchling egg. She just snatched it. Lexi! You just snatched it. Come on, Lexi. We gotta cut it off at least. Safety seal. Doo-doo. Alright, now would be appropriate time to snatch it. That didn't go as planned, but oh well. Next we got pork stick recipe sticks and beef recipe cheese stick. And then we got Raptor scraps pork recipe. Wait, with apple. Pork recipe with apple Raptor scraps. And then last item is Raptor scraps lamb recipe jerky. Ooh la la. I definitely think the theme of this box is really cool. Whole Jurassic Park theme. I mean, look at that, guys. That is a sick theme. And then you just got Lexi over there chewing on her new toy. She kind of just snatched it, so yeah, we had to give it to her. But yeah, that was the Bark box. Definitely a pretty interesting one, pretty cool one. Nice Jurassic theme. So if you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.